Hello, welcome to YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze Euro USD. What will happen going on? So I am in Euro USD daily chart. You can see I marked two black color lines. This is one line. This is the 1.09 and this is the below line is 1.07 line. So I am in daily chart. I move the line chart. This you can see this left side resistance will be supported in right side. So that's the technical picture. So I am moved to the candlestick chart again. So this I am moved to the Forex chart for your clear picture. So this is left side huge resistance. You can see price will be supported in here in right side. So that's the technical picture. So I like to go to move to the what will happen on economic data, US dollar and euro. I like to share with you global interest rates website. So I am in Fed's American Central Bank's rate currently in March 22. The Fed was rate increased 25 BP and now Fed's interest rate is 5%. So this is the details. So Fed is aggressively was going on interest rates hike last year and now going to the neutral like 25 BP rate hikes in last moment. So that's the Fed interest rate. I think USD last interest rate hike was that the inflation was dropped to 6% Fed. So US dollar getting to neutral in these in next 2-3 months. I think I am hoping. So that's the US dollar. So I like to share European Central Bank ECB. What is ECB doing here? So European Central Bank, so German is the most affected economy in Euro. So European Central Bank currently running 3.5% interest rate. So last 55 BP interest rate was hike European Central Bank. So that the European Union inflation data I like to share with you. That's the point. European inflation is too high. So it's 8.6 inflation. There's a CPI data in European Union. So inflation data is not controlled in European Union. So ECB need to hike interest rate again, I think. So that's the economic picture. US dollar getting back to neutral, and you should remember Silicon Valley banks was collapsed the last days. That what happened to getting back to market fear, market uncertainty is US dollar. So that's the US dollar euro market economic data. So that's the euro will be demands again US dollar, I think, with the economic data in next 2-3 months. So that's the I am in move to the technical picture. So that's the 4-hour chart euro USD. So I am using Fibonacci tool for your trade opportunity. So this is the 0.618 zone. You can see this zone is the your trade opportunity. Price is now there. So price is now there. So that's the your trade opportunity. 0.618 Fibonacci zone is price. So that I am thinking price will be going to the this past this move. I am thinking this move price will be past this level, also past the price, and price my target is this is my target. This is my price will be past. This is my target in euro USD. So that's I am hoping euro USD will be getting back to uptrend chart. So that's I am hoping euro USD. That's your trade opportunity. So I am thinking euro USD going to this level and break the above line also and past the above line. That's the my long-term Euro USD target is price is up to 1.272 Fibonacci level. So that's the technical picture I have. That's the your trade opportunity is there. You can see left side resistance will be support here, so your trade opportunity is there. Okay, so I am like to move the 1 hour chart. So your trade opportunity is there. So buy trade opportunity Euro USD, getting trade with the smaller time frame, confirmations and money management. Well, so thank you very much.